This is Athri Pathashala. I am very happy that you are watching my videos. Welcome to the Math Magic series. Today let's play an interesting game. Are you ready? If you follow some steps, then I will tell you what is in your mind. Now imagine a two-digit number. Imagine. Now add both the digits together. Add it. Next, subtract that number from your original number. Over? Shall I go next step? Remember this number. Find your magic number in this table and concentrate on the symbol below the number. For example, if I got the answer 7, then I want to concentrate on the symbol calculator. Now you concentrate on your number and the symbol. Now I will tell what is in your mind. This is your symbol. If you follow the steps correctly, then my prediction is correct.
Now let me explain the secret. Step first. First imagine a two-digit number. Two-digit number means it is always above 10. Therefore, it can be expressed in the form of 10x plus y. For example, if you take 63, it can be expressed as 10 into 6 plus 3. So next step, add the digits. So x plus y. Our example is 63. So the digits are 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So next step is subtract from your original number. So our original number is 63 minus 9. It is 54. So 54 is a multiple of 9. You take any number and follow the above instruction, then you will get multiple of 9. Here, if you cross-check the symbol chart, all the multiple of 9 is having the same symbol.
In the description below, you can download the symbol chart and print it and play with your friends. Have fun! Before you run, remember to like, subscribe, share and press the bell button. I will come again with another interesting math magic. Until then, bye bye friends. Take care.